Chibombo.
Straight talk.
Noma
yazi angifuni ngisho nokumazi indlela nje kubheda ngayo indaba yeBafana Bafana ngiyambonga angifuni nje nokumazi ayisizi ngalutho
amlefenseki ne laqeda ukumfaka kulo malanga nyana.
They've appointed a new coach by the name of Molefe Nsik.
Coach entsha angiyazi igama la sesobona ngayo ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Wena ngoba asiyazi experience yayo ukuthi kanjani ngoba assistant kapito.
No angazi ngawo but ngizwile nje ngayo khulunywa ngayo.
Current coach now Molefe mazela ema-tournamentini kakhulu is the best wazi ama-players andakho abanye abantu angifuna ukukhuluma amavalka wethu andakho abanye abantu abangazi ukuza ema-groundini wethu bazobona the best players.
ngake ngambona kodwa nje ukumbona sengimthatha njengabantu bonke nje ngihlangana nabestradini akabaleke ngalutho kumina.
Alright good development but I don't think angaba right ku senior squad ngoba umuntu ojwayele intwana be surprised nje ukuthi bafake yena.
I've never seen him playing soccer, but I've seen him coaching the under-17, the under-20s. And they've done very well. They've got a good track record.
Naye mhlamba ngenza nolwazi lakhe nombono wakhe nokuhlakanipha kwakhe. Let's hope samfisela ukuthi naye benenhlanhla siwini squad ngoba is long time sidlala ama-draw noma siqualifier siphume nge-first half. Yeah, and then once intefana lezo bezisiphatha kabi.
ngicela nje kuye ngifuna nje angalibeli achoose Pirates neSundowns Chiefs akachoose wonke ama-player from NFD from kuphi ama-young player sobona sokhona ukuthi sibone italent elikhulu.
Into nje iBafana Bafana ayisekho i-team eyiBafana Bafana nje into engasekho yasweleka kudala.
Indaba ukuthi ingakhansela into efana naBafana Bafana ingasiphatha kabi kakhulu ngoba iyo into eyenza ukuthi abanye abantu bakhona ukulandela kunamfana umntwana omncane odlala ibhola umuze ukuthi ezibangakhula ngidlalela iBafana Bafana mhlambe ngayishintsha lento abayenzayo, you understand. So now let's come to that point ukuthi so ibhenile la leni uzothola umuntu ozokhuluma kanjani uzokhuluma ngani lo muntu loyo.
Ake kukhishwe nje bonke labantu qalwe phansi kufunwa abadlali khanje kuyofunwa abadlali abancane abasafufusa abasenothando lebhola hayi asebebheka imali njengalaba ngoba laba abasadlalela ukuthi badlalela ukuwina badlalela ukuthi bayazi ukuthi bawinile badle.
We depend kuma coach angaphandle. That is our problem. And any coach ayangaphandle ayibaza abafana ezobabukela la abafana bethu la elokishini angeke ize lapha angazi ngambona noStuart Baxter eselokishini.
No bengayibheki abafana bathembisa bengadidwa ukuthi sebathola imali eziningi then sebabona ukuthi bengadlali ibhola abadlali ibhola nalo umsebenzi.
I don't think that will solve the problem of actually banning Bafana Bafana, but we just need to give them time and, make sure that we do things right.
Yabona nje lokho idliwa kanje esibi kakhulu nesibhlungu kakhulu.
Ngalithatha ngoba ngiyabasupport. Ngazi ukuthi noma ke nangathiwa bayadlala bayaluza sazi ukuthi sibonisana kuphi. Yeah.
Ngiyawabonga Danki ngiyabonga amane ngihlalele kwaGundi.